So this is Gent, my puppy. He's 9.5 months old. Got a Karma and Nero. And what we're working on is sit. So first of all, before that, we worked on him wanting to come to me. Okay? I just want him to come to me if I'm out here, without me saying nothing. But I will take his attention. Because he's taking a little bit too long. Hey, look at this. Gent! Look what I have! I think I'll put a collar on him. So we're working on sit. Sit. Okay, yes, look, Gent. Come on. Did you eat that too fast? Oh, you little dummy. Sit. If he's sitting, he can't be jumping on me. Sit. Good boy. Yes, sit. Unfortunately, he doesn't understand that means sit more than a second, even half a second. Half a second is a long time for him. So he knows I have food. It's his dinner time. I have his food in my pocket. It is kibble mixed with cooked pork. Jet! So I want him to have value to his name. Oh, yay! Look at that. Okay. So even though he's with toys, coming to me is a good thing. Jet! Yes, what a good boy. Yes. Yes, and this time I'm going to put a collar on it. And then this tab, which is just awesome, and it's from Roxy, and she's going to start making them to sell. She's going to have grass hooks on them, because Rottweilers need grass. And they'll be for sale for $20, and they are just perfect. They don't slip, they're the proper length, they're very, very strong, and they're better than a leash. And it's so that I can have a little bit more control. Sit, because I have no control at all with no leash. Sit. Okay. So this is how I work on sit. Sit! And I've been working on sit for 6 weeks. Sit. So I'm pretty much to the point I can start correcting, because he's got a pretty good idea what I mean when I say sit. Yes. Do you? Do you? Look at, so he's got all these wonderful toys to play with, and he'd rather play with me. You are so good. Yes, you are. Okay? Sit. So that's how I introduce the correction. Good boy. Okay, so he's almost sitting for at least 2 seconds. Really good. So I'm going to get him back into the sit position, and I'm going to reward him in that position, even though he broke it. Yes. When I click on mark the behavior, it can take as long as it wants to pay him. And I can also ask him for different things, but he understands when he gets paid, which is when I click. Okay. And okay, someone asked me, how do I stop a dog from jumping? Let's see if we can get him to jump on me some more. Okay? Jump. So I click, all 4 feet are on the ground, I click. I'm not telling him nothing. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Jump on me. Come on. Okay? I click all 4 feet on the ground. I don't care where he is. I just want 4 feet on the ground. Right? Yeah, you were so bad. You were such a good up. Okay? So I need to teach him sit down, because then he won't jump on me, right? And I really don't want to correct him for jumping on me, because I don't want him to be afraid of any human. No, I want him to feel he can dominate any human, especially a helper. Yes. But he must listen to his handler. Right. With no leash, no collar. Just because he wants to. What a good boy you are. Yes, you are. Okay, how about a toy? Let's try this toy. How about this one? Oh, what is this? What is this? So this is how I do the sit. Sit. Yes. Oh, you got it. Oh, yeah, you got it. You got it. And this is how I make him sit. Sit. So I'm going to correct. Sit. I want tension still. Yes. I don't want him to let go or to go on a dry just because I said sit. Oh, you are so good. Yes, you are. Oh, you're so strong. I do the out. I make him trade. Hey, hey, hey. Out. Look what I got. So he puked and I don't want him to eat it. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so that's why it's difficult to feed when you're playing with the dog with high prey, because they just can't digest the food and be active. So the actually should be 2 hours either side. But I thought he'd like food more than the toy. That's wrong. Yes. Okay. Look what I have. This is how I teach the out. Out. Yes. So then when he will out for a toy, then he's going to out for the helper when I say out. And look at Jet. Come on. Jet. Give me something. Get something. Come on. Okay. How about you do something? Klutz. Good boy. Jet. Jet. Oh, what do I have? What do I have? Out. Out. Okay, so he's not going to out. So I'm going to trade him. Good. Yes. Here. 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 Yeah, yay. Here. We need a rope on this. Yes, we do. We need a rope. Why do we know there's a rope on this toy? How could we be so silly? Huh? What a good boy. Okay. Jet! Look what I have. Oh, yeah. You want to see how we set the house? You want to see it? You want to see it? Yeah. This is how we start your house. Come on, Chris. Yeah? Okay, where else does he send that? So I'm going to use food, get him into basic. Okay. Good. I'm going to use Roxy's folder to correct him. Okay, move him back. Sit. Sit. He's got to sit and look at me. So I tell him he can go. Sit. 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 Route. So even though he's not straight on, I don't care. I want him to understand what route means is to run from me as fast as you can and keep running till I tell him to stop. Let's go, Jet! Jet! Yay! You're still so much a puppy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Okay, let's go. You're done. So we'll give you all your dinner. Okay? Healing. Yes. We'll put it away and we'll give it to you after you've sat in the kennel a little while. And thought about what we just did.